Hey there, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a quick and easy solution for those of you who found yourselves stuck with a key lock on your LG TV, whether it's accidental or you just can't seem to remember the PIN. Don't worry, we've got you covered. I'm Tony, and let's jump right into it. Step 1. Introduction to key lock. So, what exactly is the key lock on your LG TV? Well, it's a security feature designed to prevent unauthorized access or accidental changes to your TV settings. However, if you find yourself on the wrong side of it, it can be a bit frustrating. But fear not, we'll guide you through the process of unlocking it. Step 2. Basic troubleshooting. Before we dive into the steps, let's start with some basic troubleshooting. First, check if you've accidentally pressed any buttons on the remote or the TV itself. Sometimes, it's just a matter of a misplaced finger. Step 3. Power cycle. Next up, try a simple power cycle. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can sometimes resolve minor glitches causing the key lock. Step 4. Locate the remote. Assuming the basic troubleshooting didn't do the trick, let's move on to the main steps. Step 1. Grab your LG TV remote. It's your trusty companion for unlocking the key lock. Step 5. Press the settings button. Step 2. Locate the settings button on your remote. It's usually represented by a gear icon or might be labeled as settings directly. Press it to access the main menu. Step 6. Navigate to security. Step 3. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the security or lock section in the menu. This is where you'll find the key lock settings. Step 7. Enter the PIN. Step 4. If you have set a PIN before and remember it, enter it now. If not, you might need to try the default PIN, which is often set to 00000 or 1234. Check your TV manual or LG's official website for the default PIN if you're unsure. Step 8. Disable key lock. Step 5. Once you've entered the PIN, navigate to the key lock option and disable it. Confirm your choice, and voila, you've successfully unlocked your LG TV. Conclusion. So, to quickly recap, if you find yourself locked out of your LG TV, try basic troubleshooting, power cycle your TV, and then follow the steps we've covered today. Locate your remote, access the settings, navigate to security, enter the PIN, and disable the key lock. That's it for today's video on unlocking the key lock on your LG TV. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.